Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Debian 11.8 on VirtualBox 7.0 with guest editions. Okay, so first I am going to create Debian 11.8 virtual machine. Next I am providing the destination folder where Debian 11.8 virtual machine is getting stored. Next I am providing the ISO image file which I have already downloaded from Debian website. So this is a DVD ISO file. Check skip under installation and click next button. Okay, I am allocating 8 GB RAM and 4 CPU cores. GB virtual hard disk size. Finish it. Settings. Once again go to settings, system, motherboard, and check the floppy. Optical drive is the first device in boot order. Pointing device will be USB tablet. Network will be NAT. Okay. So Debian 11 installation screen is arrived. English is my default language. So I am selecting my location. So provide the name of the computer, that is host name to this machine. Provide the root password. Provide the login username. Okay, after providing the password, partition disk, select the guided. Now select the virtual hard disk, continue. All files in one partition, continue. Next finish partitioning and write changes to disk. Yes. So if you want to scan the DVD means you can proceed, otherwise no. So I am not scanning any DVD. Use a network mirror, yes. Continue. So I am selecting some country. Continue. So whatever mirror is nearby to you or which one is faster, you can select. Okay. So I am selecting deep.debian.org. Next. So software selection I am leaving as it is. I am not doing any changes. Only SSH server I needed. So I am selecting SSH server. Let it be a Genome desktop with standard system utilities. Okay, continue. So install grub bootloader, yes. Okay, select the virtual hard drive, continue. That's it. So installation is completed. Okay, continue. Okay, let me go to file manager. See, I am not seeing any DVD mounted. Okay, so open the terminal, login as a root user. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to mount the Debian 11.8 DVD ISO file. Okay. Okay, now I am going to install some guest edition dependencies from DVD-ROM. Okay, so no need to download the guest edition file from internet. So everything is available in DVD binary 1 itself. Okay, no need to download from internet. Apt install build essential DKMS Linux address. Okay, so these three dependencies we needed by VirtualBox guest edition software. Yes, so all the dependencies are installed from DVD itself, so it does not require internet. So I am ejecting the Debian 11.8 DVD as well. Now I am going to insert VirtualBox guest edition CD image. So now I am going to copy the content. And paste in my local directory. That is guest edition software itself. I am copying locally. From local hard disk only I am going to install the software. Okay. Let me open the terminal here. Log in as a root user and provide full permission. Okay. Okay, /vbox linux edition start run. Yes, I can able to install VirtualBox guest edition software successfully. Okay, now I am going to power off this virtual machine. Settings, general advanced, shared clipboard bidirectional, drag and drop bidirectional, and shared folders. I am mounting Windows host machine folder to Debian 11.8 virtual machine. So select auto mount. Okay, now let me start the Debian 11.8. Okay, now I am going to run some commands, and next I am going to copy paste the command output, that is terminal output, to Windows host machine notepad to check whether shared clipboard is working or not. Yes, I can able to copy paste. So shared clipboard is working. Let me check from Windows host machine to Debian 11 virtual machine. Yes, I can able to copy paste. Okay, next let me check the shared folder. You can see the shared folder is mounted here, but you can't access directly. Okay, we need to log in as a root user, then only we can access the contents of shared folder. It's located in /media. Okay, Yes, I can able to access the content of shared folder. So finally, Debian 11.8 installation on VirtualBox 7.0 with guest edition is successful. Make sure that you install the updated version of VirtualBox 7.